April, I think 16th today, something like that. And I'm out here with my son. We got a little late start, but we got a tom gobbling down my bottom and a hen behind us. I know there's another tom up here. I had my camera last night going up to roost, but I haven't heard him yet. So the last 2 times I've seen this bird on this ridge, he's been strutting and I haven't heard a peep out of him. From camera pictures, he looks like a pretty big bird, so we're gonna just sort of hold tight and see if we can't get one of these two to come in. Don't move a lot, he's coming up looking. I think I just saw him move. Saw him moving, but that's exactly what he did. Was he came across the creek now. That rain's coming. Goblin. Chose to go with the strutter today, AVNX. He's close. Fired up. I think he's literally coming right up at us. I just heard him spit. Like when they spit in drum. I heard him. He is right there somewhere. I see him. Okay. I see him over here to the left. Is that his head? Yep. I see his head. Stay ready. See his head, he's right by that brush pile. I don't care. He's going this way now. He's going to the right. There he is right there. Unless he gets scared by this decoy, we should be good. one strap is right around there. There it is. Just wait, I'll tell you when to draw. So he doesn't see you. Whenever you're ready, go ahead. Well guys, it is April 15th and I'm out here on our home farm with my son Gabriel Sherman here, and well, as you can see, we got it done. To be honest with you guys, we didn't get a really good pre-hunt interview. We woke up a little late this morning. I've been going since about 2 weeks now from hunting in Nebraska with my buddy Jesse, who's part of the OXM team. Youth season with my daughter, and then myself trying to get out. I took another one of my friends out the other day. We tripled. And then this morning, this particular bird, there's 2 birds on this farm that I knew weren't the 2-year-olds that have been running around in a big group. They sort of been loners, and every time I catch them, they're either on this ridge or the ridge on the other side of my creek. And last night I had my cameras. I came in here specifically, actually yesterday, and set up this muddy preview blind behind us. And I set a couple more trail cameras out. And I want to try and see if I catch them on this ridge, either coming or going from the ag fields behind us. And both sides I had both birds on camera, so I knew we had a pretty good shot at harvesting one this morning. And anyways, got up late. Legal shooting light this morning was like 5:58, 6 a.m. I woke up at 5:35. So I'm glad we live close to the farm, and I probably woke everybody in the house up trying to get ready. I got Gabriel up, and we got the geese in the background. We flew out here and got set up. I didn't hear any gobbles, particularly when we were getting set up. We got in really quiet. I only brought the tripod with me. I went with the Avian X strutter this time with the laydown hen, just because we're hunting in the timber. There's a lot of greenery, and when you're down this low, you can't really see that as well as when you're standing. So I wanted that fan or something to just draw his attention if he came through looking, instead of the jig, which I've been running all year. And anyways, I think the rest is history. We heard the bird calling across the creek in my food plot, which is where I have another blind set up, but we opted to come up here, and he was gobbling, so let out a couple yelps and purrs, and then I did a fly down cackle. When I did that, he just kept hammering and hammering and hammering. He went silent, and I think I said, I think he's coming, because he shut up, and then next time we heard the gobble, he was close. What do you say? So yeah, he came in, and he just kept gobbling his butt off, and he was hammering. He wasn't taking a break, which was good. It makes for good video, I think. And Gabriel spotted him here out in front of us, and he turned and came in sort of like he was going to circle the decoys, and he got to an opening. I think that's when he saw the fan, because there's some brush over here, and he went to full strut and came right in. And this is your second bird with the bow? Yeah. You killed him last year, and so again, when it comes to my kids, I know we like to make the video and the footage. I said, you get a shot, you take it. Well, he made a shot on the bird, and it took off running, and I think he hit it a little high. So the old track star me came out, and I ran him down, and we got him. So he's a good bird, nice long beard on him. I'm gonna say probably inch and a quarter, inch and 3/8 spurs. We'll measure when we get home, but I'm just super pumped for my boy. This is his second bird with the bow. He's 17, and he's looking at enlisting in the military this fall. So this may be one of our last spring turkey seasons for a while, if he ends up joining, since I know the time home, being a veteran myself, is far and few between, and when you get that age, you want to do other things, maybe go sit out in the woods with Dad. But I appreciate the time we have and his willingness to get out here, and the passion he shares for turkey hunting. You got anything? No? Thanks, Dad. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this makes for a good episode for you guys. The team's doing great. Just an update on Snapchat. I found a bunch of us are out this morning. I think 2 people already got birds as well, so there should be a lot of footage coming you guys' way. So if you get a chance, you see this video and you like it, subscribe, and share Outdoor X Media. Good?